Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is doing chores around the house kind of video. So I'm gonna get started with laundry first so that I can occupy myself doing something while the laundries are being washed. So I add in some laundry detergent and I just put it on and let it go ahead and get washed. While the laundry is being washed, get the lunch started. So today I decided to do some baked some fried chicken, and the bakes still need to proof for about an hour before I can go ahead and fry up. So I'm just gonna share with you guys me making this. So I want to talk to you guys about Vlogmas, and if you guys would be interested in me doing Vlogmas this year. I'm not sure like exactly what you guys would like to see, if you like cooking videos or like the festivals that we'll be having in my country to celebrate Christmas. Like, let me know if you guys would like Vlogmas. It will not be every day, maybe like 12 days. So let me know and I'll organize that for you guys. So can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone like stuck in your zone. You know that I could, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been. So now I am rolling the dough in itself to try to smooth it out and to form a ball basically. So this is how it's looking after kneading the dough for about 10 minutes. I'm just going to cover it up and let it sit and rise for about an hour to an hour and a half while I go ahead and take the laundry out of the machine and hang them up. So this is like an hour and a half later and the dough has puffed up double its size. So I'm just going to punch out the air. So this is the chicken that I'm working with to fry. So just punch the air and just knead it, and then I will form it into little balls to fry. In all of my cooking video that I have done frying in, you guys see that I always put some sort of flour and seasoning on top of the chicken just to coat it because it adds an extra layer of crunchiness to the chicken. So I'm just doing that and just shake it up to make sure that it is well coated on the chicken. These are the bakes. I did actually end up with 23 of them. I showed you guys already in a previous video how I formed them. So now I'm just gonna add some oil to a pot, and when the oil is hot I'm just gonna put them in and fry them on both sides for about 3 minutes. Just focus on me. Can you focus on me? So the bakes are done and they're very light, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fry the chicken in the same oil that I fry the bakes in. So with the chicken, I would say that they cook on each side for about 3 to 4 minutes. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on? So this was lunch and it was just delicious, and I'll be giving you guys a little taste test of the bakes. Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't go. Okay, so this is the next day and these are the laundry, some of the laundry that I actually washed yesterday. So I'm just going to fold them up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? The kitchen is a little bit untidy, so I'm just going to remove everything and just tidy up the entire kitchen. The dishes in the sink are actually clean, so I'm just gonna put them away.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Baby, focus. Can't you? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me?
So now that the counter is clean, I'm just gonna put things back. And for me, I like things to be in a kind of aesthetically pleasing way. So as you guys can see, where I put the plugs for the blender, and I plugged in the kettle because I don't like plugs and stuff like that to be on the floor, or just be like any ordinary way. I like them to be put away and in a tidy way so that the place will stay tidy for a longer period of time. Now moving on to the stove, and this is a place in the kitchen that gets cleaned very often, so when I do clean it, it doesn't really need that much cleaning. What is your favorite thing about cleaning your kitchen, and what is your favorite or best time that you like to clean your kitchen? For me, I like to clean everything, kitchen and living room, at night. That's like at a time when I know that everyone is either asleep or they are in bed, so that when they wake up, like, it will just be so fresh and look so clean. That's what I like.
Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus?
So next we're just going to wipe down the counter around where the sink is, and then we're just gonna take off the dishes that are clean and then put them in the right places.
Focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, I only get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone, even when we're alone. And that don't go nothing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby, I've been.
Now that the dishes are put away, let's work on cleaning the sink. So I'm just adding some baking soda. I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze some lime over it. This is my favorite part about cleaning the kitchen, is cleaning the sink, because if the sink looks good, the entire kitchen looks even better. And I'm just gonna use the lime itself and kind of rub the lime juice and the baking soda together to get like the reaction of the baking soda bubbling up. And I'm just gonna leave this for about 10 minutes, and then I'll be back to give it a good scrub down. So 10 minutes is up. I add a little bit of laundry detergent, and I'm using an old sponge, and just take my time and really and truly get into the crevices and the area, because as I said, we have chlorine water, and so it just has like a water stain on the sink. So I'm just gonna take my time and try to get off as much as everything as possible. Tell me, why did I think handfuls of water can get rid of all of the laundry detergent and baking soda of lemon? I had to end up using a cup because it was going too slow using just my hands to catch the water.
Wish you would just focus on me. Keep focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Baby, focus. Can't you look better? I wish you would just focus on me.
Look at how shiny and clean that is. It looks so good. So I'm just gonna show you the entire kitchen, and guys, it looks so much better and so much cleaner than it looked in the beginning. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, kindness is free. Be kind to everyone you meet, because you never know the impact they will have on your life. And enjoy the rest of your weekend. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.